Do you want to make a rich tomato sauce that goes with everything? Here are the ingredients. Start by cooking the tomatoes in boiling water. While that's happening, slice up an onion and some garlic cloves. The more the better. In a hot pan, add some olive oil and sauté the onion and garlic over medium heat. Then, turn it down and let it slowly caramelize. This brings out all the sweetness. Once the tomato skins begin to peel, take them off of the heat and drain the water. Then, lightly crush the tomatoes. Now, add in your caramelized onion and garlic. Blend everything together with an immersion blender until smooth. If you are using a regular blender, let it cool down first. Once smooth, bring the sauce to a gentle boil. Season with 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then toss in a couple of bay leaves and mix well. Let it simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes so all those flavors can marry together. By now, your tomato sauce should be thick, rich, and so flavorful. Adjust the salt if needed. I made enough sauce to keep on hand anytime I need it. I've been using it to make pasta with meatballs. My favorite is Sunday breakfast, Italian style poached eggs, or even some easy ravioli. Enjoy!